Today I'm bringing some holiday magic with my eggnog cupcakes topped with a bourbon vanilla bean buttercream. These cupcakes are a delicious, elevated twist on a classic holiday treat with spice notes of eggnog and a warm hint of bourbon. Let's get started. First, we're starting with the dry ingredients. In this medium bowl, I've got some flour and I'm adding in some baking powder, baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Now for the holiday spices, cinnamon and nutmeg. Just whisk everything together until it's well combined and then set it aside. Now on to the wet ingredients. I have a stick of softened butter in a large mixing bowl, and I'm adding in some granulated sugar. I'm using my electric hand mixer to cream this together until it's light and fluffy. Now I'm turning my mixer down to low speed and adding in the eggs, one at a time, beating well after each addition. Now I'll add in a splash of vanilla extract. Okay, it's time to combine everything. I'm adding the dry ingredients to the wet mixture, a little at a time, alternating with some delicious eggnog. My favorite is the Southern Comfort eggnog, the one in the black carton. Oh, it's delicious. Let me know in the comments what your favorite holiday store-bought eggnog is. Remember to start and end with the dry ingredients, mixing on low speed until everything is just combined. Now it's time to fill the cupcake pan. I've lined mine with cupcake liners and I'm using a cookie scoop to portion out the batter. This way each cupcake bakes evenly. Fill each liner about 2/3 full. We're baking these at 350 for about 18 to 20 minutes. Let them cool in the pan for about 5 minutes before transferring to a wire rack to cool completely. Now let's whip up some Bourbon-Vanilla Bean Buttercream. In a large bowl, I'm beating softened butter on medium speed until it's creamy and smooth, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. I'm gradually adding in some sifted powdered sugar, 1 cup at a time. Once it's all in, I'll bump that speed up to medium-high and mix for another 2 to 3 minutes until it's nice and fluffy. Now for the star ingredients, some vanilla bean paste, a splash of good quality bourbon, and just a pinch of salt. Beat until everything is perfectly combined. Time to decorate. I filled my piping bag fitted with an Atico large star tip. I think it's an 848, I believe. I'll put it in the description box below. And I'm swirling the buttercream high on top of each cupcake. This step right here brought me back to my cake decorating days. And that's it, light and fluffy eggnog cupcakes topped with a decadent bourbon vanilla bean buttercream. These are perfect for any holiday gathering or just a cozy night in. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to hit that like button. The full recipe is linked in the description box below, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe for more delicious treats. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.